Fidget fans! Today my grandma is going to be rating some of my fidgets. Let's go. First, a fidget slug.
Ooh. The texture is funky. I get, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this an 8.
Okay. Next, a pineapple stress ball.
Squishy, soft, colorful. I give this a 10.
A wacky track.
Not a lot you can do with it except for change its shape. It doesn't make really fun noises. I'd give this a 5.
A marble and mesh.
This is a fun texture because it's movable, subtle colors, and it's quiet. 8 and 8.
A mini pop tube.
It's small for my fingers to go in, not highly rated. I'm going to give it, let's see how far it rolls first. Not. I'm going to give this a 4.
A frog mochi.
I like the feel of this. It's a nice color. His eyes are... I'd get bored with this. I'd give this a 3.
A butterfly dimple.
This has a nice sound. Lots of colors. You can work both sides. It's a different sound from one side to the other. But again, it's not my favorite. 5.
A Pop-It fidget spinner.
That could make me dizzy. Whoop. Has a nice sound to it. Hard. Itty bitty little things for my, they're too small for my thumb. I'd give this a 4.
Next, an infinity cube.
Ooh, I like this. This is, it's all hard, nothing squishy, and it doesn't take up too much space. If I wanted to just leave it on the table, I'd give this a 9.5.
Now a shaggy Neato.
Oh, man. Ooh. Oh, look at that. I can make 1 ball or 2. Boop, boop, and I can do that. Oh, I'm going to give this a, I think this will be one of my highest rated. Give this a 10.
Last but not least, a textured monkey noodle.
Ooh, the color is beautiful. You can do a jump rope with a little miniature toy.
The box said it can stretch up to like 5 feet.
5 feet is a long, boy, I don't know if those little, that's a lot of stretching. I don't think I'd test it, but let's see, that's at least, that's 2.5, almost 3 feet there. I'd give this a 6.
Okay. Bye, Fidget fans.
Fidget fans.
Like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye.
Bye.